Alright guys, this is a hair tutorial. How I wash my hair. Okay, I'm sorry, I'll be right back. What you see I'm doing is I'm parting, creating parts, coming through the sections, and braiding. That's how I wash my hair. Why I do this? So I can easily get to my scalp. From my clay wash. Okay. Now, I'm going to, hope you guys can see this. I'll use my measuring spoon. This is my Russell clay. I'm going to add 1 heaping spoonful into that. I'm going to add the water, very hot water. And I'm going to mix this mixture. Oh, it's too watery. I'll take the water away because I don't need that anymore. I'm going to add some clay. I'm going to pour it in here so you can see the consistency. You might see little lumps, but that's okay. That's your cup. And I'm pretty sure you'll be able to see the difference. Sorry about that noise. Okay, lay that right here, and hopefully you guys can see the consistency now, the difference. Here we go. Alright guys, I failed to mention I add that mixture, sorry, in the shoulder logo, but I add it to this bottle, and I'm about to apply it to my scalp. Alright. I'm going to try to get to the front part of my hair, and it's pretty thick. It's not dripping like this water. It's just water dripping from my hair. It's pretty much sticking to my scalp. Again, I use 2 measuring spoons. I guess you can call that a spoon. And then I kind of eyeball the water. I didn't add any gel, aloe vera gel. I normally do, but not this time around. And I do apply henna to my hair. If you guys want a video on that, I would love to do that. So I've been doing henna for about maybe going on 15 years. It was a headache at first. I gotta take my rings off. It's snagging my hair. Alright, I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one that feel the need to take rings off because they just get in the freaking way. And if you have any leftover, you can use as a clay mask. But I massage this in, and then I will show you the end result after I rinse. And I do try to put some at the end of my hair. Oh, this feels so good. Oh, I forgot to add the oils.
I'll do that next time. 'Cause my scalp already had accumulation of oils. I can just feel it breaking up my scalp as I massage my clay mask in. I can feel the oils breaking apart, separating. It's a good thing about using a clay mask versus shampoo. You can actually feel all the oils and products lifting from your scalp. No guesswork, you can actually feel it with your fingers. Actually, I can feel it going in my nails. Might sound gross, but to me it's satisfying because I know I'm doing the work. And when I finish, my scalp gonna thank me. Oh, this feels so freaking good. Okay, guys. Didn't I say I was gonna come back? I didn't keep my word, did I? Normally I don't be talking like this early in the morning, but I'm feeling it today.